BLACK+DECKER DLX1050B 12-cup programmable coffee maker with glass carafe, black. BLACK+DECKER 12 servings programmable coffee maker, DLX1050. The BLACK+DECKER 12 servings programmable coffee maker is a classic. It delivers a great cup of coffee with ease thanks to a handy range of features including QuickTouch programming, sneak a cup, and our optimal brewing temperature. Plus, cleanup is a snap with the removable filter basket and easy clean control panel. Serving size equals approximately 5 ounces, varies by brewing technique. BLACK+DECKER and the BLACK+DECKER logo are trademarks of the Black & Decker Corporation and are used under license. Features: QuickTouch programming, soft touch control panel, sneak a cup feature, 2-hour auto shut-off, easy view water window, perfect cup of coffee, optimal brewing temperature. Water is heated to the perfect brewing temperature for ideal flavor results. 12-cup coffee maker with soft touch digital control panel. Programmable clock timer, auto brew option, on indicator light. Brew pause function, non-stick warming plate, 2-hour auto shut-off for safety. Water level indicator, glass carafe and removable filter basket included. Make sure water reservoir has not been filled beyond the 12-cup line. Non-stick keep hot carafe plate. Note: cup equals approximately 5 ounces, varies by brewing technique. Included components: 1 coffee maker, 1 glass carafe, 1 filter basket. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.